In this video, I'll show you how to change kilojoules to calories in Myfitnesspal. This is useful if your diary is showing energy in kilojoules but you want it to show calories instead. First, open the Myfitnesspal app. Now tap More or Menu, depending on your device. Next, tap Settings. Now tap Profile or Edit Profile. Look for the Units option. Tap Units. This is where you can change your preferred measurements inside Myfitnesspal. You may see options for weight, height, distance, and energy. Find the energy setting. If it is currently set to kilojoules, change it to calories. Once you've selected calories, save the changes if the app asks you to. Now go back to your diary. Your food diary and calorie goal should now show calories instead of kilojoules. If it does not update straight away, close the app and open it again. You can also refresh the diary or check the units setting one more time. And that's it. You've now changed kilojoules to calories in Myfitnesspal